I'm Bill Cox. I'm district manager for Renishaw in the southeastern U.S. Renishaw was the creator of the touch trigger probe. Our two founders worked for Rolls-Royce, and they had a problem with the Concorde jet parts they were manufacturing, so they created it. And then they created the company all around that. If you want to say what science are we a part of, we're in metrology, and that's the science of measurement. So every machine tool has our probes or our encoders on them. Measurement machines like CMMs also incorporate a majority of our technology. We are made in the UK. We've been around 50 years. This is our 50th anniversary this year. Top level of metrology is accuracy. We're a highly accurate company in both our processes and what we manufacture. We use all our products in our manufacturing operations, and that's why we have relationships with Okuma and other end users around the world. Personally, it has been a grand partnership. I've been dealing with Okuma since I joined Renishaw 27 years ago. So we've grown with them. They are very intellectually involved in our development of products. We question what their needs are, and then we try to execute solutions for them. Anyone associated with manufacturing of metal products and other materials need to measure their parts somewhere through the process. And we're normally on the machine tools, on the measuring machines, and involved in different aspects of the processes.